This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I hope everyone heard about my yesterday class, guys. So you have gone through what is, I mean, just a recap, guys. What we discussed yesterday, we have discussed about my training, and after that one, we have discussed about cloud computing. Okay, so in cloud computing, so generally, what is cloud computing? What are the services available? So in cloud computing, those things we have discussed, guys, and now we are going to see about CRM. Okay, so before going to know about Salesforce, you should know about CRM, guys. So the thing is, Salesforce is one of the technology in CRM. That too, one of the topmost technology in cloud CRM. So it's a cloud CRM technology. Okay. So cloud is what? It is not a technology, guys. Cloud is a methodology approach. So based on the cloud, okay, methodology. So many companies have like implemented so many technologies. I mean their services, different kind of services like IaaS services and PaaS, so SaaS services. Okay, even if you have a capable, so if you have a capacity, so then even you can implement your own IaaS infrastructure and sell in cloud. Okay, now, so coming to CRM. So we know about the cloud computing. Next part is CRM. Okay. What is a CRM? CRM is like a customer relationship management. And so as I said, right? So before going to this one, as I said yesterday, so till today you are going to see only PPT, and from tomorrow onwards we are going to see live. Okay. It's a customer relationship management. What is a customer and what is a relationship? What is a management here? It's like, say, example, like olden days. I mean, long back, years back, or even now also. I mean, if you are in a village or if you are in a city, whatever it may be, nearby location shops are there. Okay, think in that way. Daily you are going there and you are buying so something in that shop. Okay, good. And so nearby your location only one shop is available. Okay, so that shop manager, like owner, so he is like a rude kind of thing behavior, and also like he, I mean, he always increase the rates, and it's like cost is more high in that shops. Okay, but so the people who are living there, right, they don't have a choice, so they need to buy something, I mean items from that shop only. Okay, so after a few months or few days, what happened, nearby that location, nearby that shop, so one more shop came. Okay, so I mean other people, so has, I mean, established a new shop, and what happened, customers are starting going to that another shop also. So what happened now, the first shop guy is there, right? So he thought, oh, so for them, I mean for that shop, so demand is decreasing slowly. So what I need to do, I need to so speak, I mean I need to talk to my customers politely, and also I need to give offers, and I need to reduce the cost, like. So what happened in this situation? Whenever a competitor came in the market and they are so reducing the thing, I mean, and giving offers, and so talking to the customers politely, and increasing the bonding between the customer to the management. Like shop owner is nothing but a management, and we are the customers and we are buying from them. I mean, from that shop. So from that day onwards, that shop owner started increasing the relationship between the customers. So what happened? This concept. This is what a general thing, and it's olden days thinking that way, not a problem. But now what happened? Everything so went online. Okay, think in that way. Everything went online, and now so many competitors are there in the market. So like Amazon is there, Flipkart is there, like that so many things are there. Okay, I mean just giving one example about Amazon and Flipkart. And if you have one shop like a steel, you are selling steel, okay, or you are selling a gas, something, okay, and if any customer want to book, they need to book online, like that kind of thing. Okay, so these are the different examples, guys, but I'm just giving a simple example so that you can easily understand. Okay, so in this situation, so this Amazon is there, right? And so they prepared an application and they put that application in online, like in website. And we are the customers. We go to that online and so order whatever we want. Okay, and like that, if you go to Flipkart, if you go to any any like this services who are providing, right, like online applications, so we go there and booking like that. And what happened, so there is a competition between Amazon and competition between Flipkart, like that. It's like it's a business, definitely there must be a competition. So these are providing offers and like that. Okay, and so by providing offers, they are increasing the relationship between the customers. Okay, and also if suppose I bought a product, like I bought a mobile from Flipkart, and so I got the defect product. So what happened now, so I can contact to, so that Flipkart something, some like people's. So how can I contact them? I can contact them through phone, or I can contact, go to the, by going to the portal, and so hey, so I can raise a case issue. So I got this mobile, and so I have a defect for this one. So this kind of situations will happen, right? So in that situation also, that Flipkart has put a portal on online, and we can go to that portal and we can so raise our issues, like that. And also from Flipkart side, service team is there, so they help us to resolve our issues. Okay, so like this, what happened? Like this, that management is nothing but a Flipkart or Amazon, whatever it may be. They are increasing the relationship between the customer to them, their management. Okay, and what is the benefit of this increasing the relationship? Benefit is what? So customers can go to the shop or whatever online. So customers can buy everything from them only, from their end only. Okay, so they are getting money, so increasing the relationship between the customer and generating the revenue. So that's called CRM. Okay, okay, CRM we understand, very nice, but what is the benefit of the Salesforce? Not only Salesforce, CRM, so many technologies are there, so where we can use these technologies? That is the question, next question to you. So now think about this one. Just again one more example, a simple example, like Flipkart or Amazon, whatever it may be, and how they are helping customers. How? How customers are booking orders. So in online, this Flipkart or Amazon, so they put a portal. In that portal, so they are displaying all the products. Okay, and if any customer want to buy, they can go and click on next payment, all the things are done, and after that one, so automatically that product will be delivered to customer location. And if any issues are there, I mean in the defects are there in the product, they can go to the portal, they can raise a case. All these things they are doing through online and in some applications, right? So those applications, like that kind of applications, can be implemented with some softwares. Am I right? So we can do that kind of applications with the help of Salesforce. Not only Salesforce, CRM technologies, whatever it may be, Joho or SAP CRM, Sugar CRM, and Oracle CRM, whatever it may be. That is one of the example, guys. Okay, so our business, our management can use technologies and tools to build a CRM application, and with that help of application, so they can increase the relationship between the customers and they can sell their products. Okay. Now, second, yeah. So now you understand where we can use Salesforce application. Generally, who can use? So in general, who can use Salesforce application, Salesforce software? Business. Okay. Not only Flipkart, not only Amazon, any business. Even if you have a business like crores of business are there and you want to establish that business, so all over the world or in some location, and you have orders from online or whatever it may be, and from your end, sales team, marketing team, and like service team, different teams are there. Okay. So these teams, right, so they can do their duties, and so they can help business to increase the business. Okay. So from business end, business team will be there, and so from online, technologies are there to fill it. Okay. So these are the assets. I mean, like CRM, other technologies are there, right? So like that, Salesforce is the #1 cloud technology, guys. And nowadays, everyone is using Salesforce technology only for any CRM business. So nowadays, everything is business, right? For each business, like if it is a big business or if it is a medium level business, so they are using the Salesforce only. Now, so you need to remember one point. So in general, business people's only using Salesforce application. Okay, I will tell you in detail at the end of this one, at the end of this class. So business people's means who, so how they will use those things. Okay, so that is enough about the CRM, guys. And if you see in market, we have, so our CRM industry went to like industrial, financial service, retail, and media, technology, hospitality, automatic. So in all these industries we use CRM. So in all these industries we use Salesforce. Okay, that's why Salesforce has huge demand. Any questions about the CRM, guys? And we know, I mean, so there are different CRMs in the market. Okay, and Salesforce is the #1 CRM. I hope everyone know about this one. Even if you don't know, at least your friends who are working in real time, so they might ask you to learn Salesforce. At least they might suggest you, hey, go and learn Salesforce, like that kind of. Okay, but olden days, I mean, no one knows about the Salesforce thing. I mean, Salesforce. If you want, just go Google and search Salesforce revenue, all these kind of things. You see it, how the growth is. Okay, it's a old article, guys, and I'm just showing you that old article. Also #1 CRM. So fifth strategy means continuously. Okay, #1 CRM Salesforce only, even now also. Okay, and salary wise, everything. Salesforce is giving so much, so many things for customers and for employees. We are the employees, right? When we get a job and we are going to work in that one. Okay, we are the employees. Huge demand is there in the market, guys. So just you need to so catch that one. Okay. Any questions about CRM? Okay. So if you are means I thought so you understand everything. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Not a problem. Next. Salesforce CRM. So as of now, we know CRM means customer relationship management, and what we can do with the help of CRM technologies means. So these are the technologies that can be used to build that kind of applications. So with that, our business management can use those applications so to sell their products and to increase the relationship between the customers. In simple words. Next. Okay, so what is the Salesforce CRM and after what is Salesforce? So many people are calling Salesforce is a technology and Salesforce is a tool and Salesforce is a software. Whatever it may be, the thing is Salesforce is a company, guys. Okay, so Mark Benioff is the CEO for Salesforce, and it is a company like Oracle, like Dell, I mean Deloitte, like Accenture, like TCS. Okay, it is also a company. And in 1999, so it was established, guys.
మోహన్ గారు మీ స్క్రీన్
I
చేంజ్ చేశారా?
think, yeah, Salesforce CRM షేర్ చేశారు కదా. నిన్న కూడా నీకే
నాకు
ప్రాబ్లం
కనిపిస్తుంది.
వచ్చినట్టుంది కళ్యాణ్, ఇంతవరకు బాగానే ఉన్నట్టు.
అదే ఆర్టికల్ కనపడుతుంది.
ఏ CRM వచ్చిందా మీకు?
I also got a problem. Just I leave and again I joined.
Who are getting these problems, guys? Might be go to meet issues from your end.
Yeah, Mohan Sir, here.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so let's see. As I mentioned, it is a company. Salesforce is a company, guys, and like TCS and like Deloitte, like Accenture, whatever. Okay, and Mark Benioff is the CEO now. And actually, so in 99, Salesforce company is established like in a small place, like very small place, like in, so with a limited square feet only. It's like a small 2 BHK room, like that kind of okay, so in place only, that much place only they have. So utilized to build that, establish the Salesforce.com. At that time, what happened, Mark Benioff was working in Oracle company, and so three people came to Mark Benioff, and so they have, I mean, that innovative idea so comes, I mean, came from that three people only. Okay, and they, so when they informed to Mark Benioff, that they explained, so CRM kind of thing, that to cloud CRM, so these kind of things they explained, and Mark Benioff attracted with their innovative thought, and so he came out from the Oracle company and he established a company along with some other partner also, guys. Okay, and after that one, Mark Benioff become, I mean, so CEO, and so from that day onwards, so till now, the growth. Okay, how Salesforce become. Okay, so worldwide, 1999, the company was established, Salesforce company, and now it's a huge number one, so cloud CRM in the market worldwide. And Salesforce company bought other companies also, Tableau. So Salesforce so owned the Tableau company, and it is a partner with Workday, and it bought MuleSoft also. And I think I heard recently some Slack or something they are, I mean, so trying to get it, or I don't know whether they got it. Slack something, so some other technology they bought it, Salesforce. So you observe that Salesforce is increasing like a lion, okay, like monster, I can say it as. So that's the reason. So even wherever you go, so you will see Salesforce jobs wherever you go, worldwide. Okay. So, okay, good. Now we know about the Salesforce background. Very nice. So currently it is staying in San Francisco location in California, guys, in USA, and the headquarters even in Hyderabad also. I think I mean, so one branch is there, and even Bangalore also. Yeah, I think I hope so. In Hyderabad also they are recruiting so many people, direct Salesforce company. And recently I heard that directly in India, so they are going to provide more than 3 lakh jobs directly from Salesforce company, not from other companies, directly from Salesforce company. Okay, in this year 2021, something they are going, they said already. Okay, so let's see how many people are going to utilize that opportunity. And okay, so this is just a background about Salesforce, and come to Salesforce. So technology wise, so if any technology, if you want to build whatever it may be, so you need to have a database, and you need to have a code, so you need to have a platform kind of things, right? As I mentioned yesterday, you need a platform, that like that. So for Salesforce, they are using Oracle database only, guys. Okay. So our Mark Benioff came out from Oracle company, and so he has connections with that, and with that only he continued. So our database is what? Oracle database only we are maintaining. There is no separate database. So if anyone knows Oracle or SQL, right? Salesforce database is very easy. Okay, very easy. And the code which we are writing in Salesforce is nothing but implemented on top of Java. Okay, based on Java only they implemented. So if anyone know Java, Salesforce is like a minor kind of thing. If you think Java is a ocean, Salesforce is like a river. I can say it as a, okay. So that much small part only we can use. And even you don't need to know Java. If you know any technology, it's, I mean, coding technology, it's well and good, not a problem. Even if you don't know, so I can teach from zero here. Okay.
మోహన్ గారు ఒక డౌట్ అండి.
Yeah.
మీరు నిన్న ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఏమో వచ్చి Force.com లైట్నింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ యూస్ చేస్తామని చెప్పారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు జావా ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అంటున్నారు ఏంటి?
ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అంటే ఆ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అని కాదు నేను చెప్పేది, కోడింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, అప్లికేషన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ కాదు, కోడింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. సో జావా మీదనే ఇది రన్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట కోడింగ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో. సో ఇన్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్, సో ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ you are saying it's not that platform what I said yesterday, guys. So it is a platform like coding, for coding only. Okay, on top of Java only. So Apex language is invented. Apex is the coding guys language, and so they implemented Apex based on Java platform only. So that means back end Java will run, but on top of Java, so we are seeing Apex. So it's like backend coding Oracle and Java, we don't touch it, guys. We don't know also, we can't see with our eyes also. But our raw employees are there in Salesforce, so they are currently working on all these technologies like Java, Oracle and all, and they implemented Salesforce technology. Like whatever we are seeing and whatever we are going to see with our eyes, right? That is implemented based on these technologies which I showed you here. Okay, so these we can't see, we can't touch, we don't know, no problem. Okay, but what we are going to see is we are going to see like Apex language, which is very easy. Okay, when you compare it to Java, and platform like Force.com platform, and we are going to use a Lightning platform. Based on that one, we implemented configuration items, so many things, right? So for all those backend things are, these are the backend things, guys. Okay, yeah, please don't compare with Force.com platform with, and don't confuse with the Java platform. It's a just a coding platform only. Okay, next. And yeah, so that's a brief description about the Salesforce.com company, guys. Okay, okay, next come the point. This we will discuss later. Okay, come to the point. Next, so different clouds in Salesforce. Actually, what is a cloud or what is this one? So many people might get confused, so might be here also clouds. What is cloud here? So Salesforce is a software, think in that way, or Salesforce is a company. From that company, so many applications, I mean company delivered so many standard applications. Okay, standard features. So this is one of the product, I can say it as a product. Salesforce also implemented different products like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Community, Analytics, Commerce, and so many other clouds. One cloud is nothing but a one product from Salesforce company. Okay, and what is the benefit of so these clouds? So let me show you one thing. So just 5 minutes or 10 minutes back, I explained about the CRM technology, like who will use. So these Salesforce application, I mean Salesforce technologies, business people will use. Okay, so think in that way. You have a steel company, you are selling steels. Okay, so that means, and you established a new company. Okay, and you are very new to market, and what you need to do, you are the business owner, and so with crores of money you established a steel company. So what you need to do, first you need to give advertisements, whether it is a social advertisements, whether it is a so directly live advertisements, campaignings, webinars, like that you are going to give advertisements, right? So generally in your company, okay, who will give advertisements? Marketing team will give advertisements, right? Marketing team, okay. And what are the marketing team duties from their company? Marketing team will, people will give advertisements, and so they can collect customers who are interested to buy their product, and they can track their details, and also they can follow up with them. And these are the things that they're sending emails, sending messages, all these kind of things can do by marketing team, okay. So how they are doing, okay, how they are doing, are they using any excel sheet to store all these customers data? No, right? So they need to use any technology because it is a big company, okay. So your company is very big company, and thousands of customers you are going to get, and it is not possible to use excel sheets to store the data, customers data, to track all of them. So you need to use a technology, okay. So if you use any technology, CRM technology only you need to use. So if you, CRM technology means Salesforce is the #1 technology. So then you go to Salesforce technology and ask from them, so this is my requirement, my marketing team wants to so do all their daily activities and store, so from your end, so anything you can help, I can pay the money, okay. You ask Salesforce company, then Salesforce company, so from their end their team came and they will suggest you, so you can buy marketing cloud, so for your marketing people business, okay. So they will say it like that. So you can buy a marketing cloud feature or a product from that Salesforce company. It is a product from Salesforce company, and you need to buy that one for license and use for your marketing team only. And what are the marketing team daily duties? Store all these things will be tracked and stored and organized in that cloud only, okay. That is one example about the cloud, guys, okay. One of the product so given by Salesforce. And like that, what is the sales cloud? So from your end, your sales peoples are there. Generally what sales peoples so can do, guys, once marketing team collect leads, right, I mean to say customers, interested customers, our sales team can follow up with them, and until so our sales team, I mean until the customer pay the amount, right, daily they are so following with that customers. And also once they are ready, they can do payments, and all these things collected, order generation can be done by sales team only, okay. All these process, so they can track and register, and they can store all these kind of process, right, who are doing by, I mean which is doing by Salesforce. That can be done with the help of our sales cloud application product, okay. So with the help of sales cloud product, our sales team so can do their daily activities. Same how service cloud also, okay. So service cloud means like a call center team, okay. If that your customers are there, and they bought your steel product and all this kind of thing, and they have an issue and defects in that steel product, okay. And your company is located in like Rajasthan or so many places, and your customer is in Andhra, so that they won't go to like that, right? So they can book in online, and they can raise a case, or they can call to our customer care, your customer care, you are the company owner, right? So what will happen from your side? So call center team is there who are supporting your customers, so they have also their daily duties, like cases, I mean they need to create issues and assign, I mean so assign these issues to the technical team or some other team, and track all these things until they resolve. All these duties are there, right? So that can be done with the help of some other technology or some other product. So if you consider Salesforce means service cloud product is the perfect one for that team. Okay. So these are the examples I'm giving, guys, so that you can just analyze from your end. Okay. So like that, so many clouds are there from Salesforce. Any questions?
యా మోహన్, మనం రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఏ క్లౌడ్ పైన వర్క్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది? డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ పైన డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుందా?
Exactly, it is depend on the project only in real time. So which cloud we can use, right? So most probably, so if you take 100 projects, okay, 70 projects we can work in Sales Cloud only. Remaining 30 projects, right? So 25 projects we can work in Service Cloud, and the 5 projects we can work in Marketing Cloud, and nowadays Commerce Cloud and Community Cloud, these are 1% only we can use. All are Einstein, all these things are 1% only, okay, like that. So but the topmost so cloud which is a famous in Salesforce is Sales Cloud. Next, Service Cloud. After that, the remaining clouds, marketing, these things, okay. But whatever cloud it might be, we don't bother. What will be changed between these clouds, and does our training will benefit? So for all these clouds, okay, if that is the question from your end, the answer is like whatever cloud it might be. So you need to see same screen only. First thing, only configuration features are changed. Only configuration features are changed between all clouds. But whatever coding, whatever administration you are learning here, so those will help you in all clouds, guys. Those are same in all clouds. Whatever you are learning, you are going to learn in, so in training, right? So those will those you can see in all clouds, okay. Based on that one, you can implement the remaining things. But so features are, Salesforce has given different features, right? So those will be changed. Those are only configuration features, guys. You don't bother about those things, okay. One second.
This conference will now
So
be recorded.
Yeah, now you can
Hello.
ask.
యా సో కంపెనీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వచ్చేసి మనం సేల్స్ క్లౌడ్ ఒకవేళ తీసుకుంటే సో దాంట్లో ఎంత మందికి మనం యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, లైక్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ కి? అదేమైనా పాసిబిలిటీ?
So
సో
employees
నెంబర్
are
ఆఫ్
nothing but ఎంతమందికైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఎంతమందికైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. బట్ పర్ యూజర్ కి వచ్చి $250 per month you need to pay. Company need to pay.
ఇండివిజువల్?
Yeah, I will show you. So that pricing details also I will show you. Yeah.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, next, go to next part. Okay. Yeah, I mentioned that previously products, right? Okay, suppose you have a steel company and you bought a Sales Cloud product. Think in that way, okay? That is a
Mohan, I have a
product.
doubt.
Yeah,
Yeah, here the product means it's like it's an app. Finally, that app only, right? That application. The Sales Cloud will
I
give the
can't say
product means that's the app.
it is not an app, product only. So please
Okay.
don't compare this Salesforce product with Android applications and the mobile applications or desktop applications. Okay, it is quite
Okay.
different. Yeah,
Okay.
good question. Next, okay, suppose, okay, you are the steel company owner and you bought the Sales Cloud product, and that can be utilized by sales team. Good. Now how you bought it? You contacted to Salesforce, and Salesforce mentioned like we have different kind of licenses are there, sir. So which license you want to buy? Okay, so they will ask you like that, and you mentioned that I don't know what licenses, but so this is the size of my company, and these many users are going to work from my company, and these many customers I'm going to expecting. So you need to mention to the Salesforce company like your business, okay, I mean how many employees are there, business employees are there who are going to use a Salesforce application, and how many customers you are expecting, how much big your business is, that you need to mention to the Salesforce company. And based on that one, Salesforce company will suggest you, so hey user, either you go with the enterprise edition or an unlimited edition like that. If your company is very small, like only 2 people, 3 people or 5 people are there, then they will suggest you go with essential or professional editions like that. But enterprise is the middle, okay? So mid-level companies can use enterprise application, I mean enterprise license can buy, or big companies like big business is there, so they can buy unlimited license. Okay, even for each product licenses are there, remember that one, guys. If you buy any product, you need to so select one license for that product. Okay, either if you select enterprise edition, that means your company is a middle level company. If you select unlimited license, means oh, your company is a so very big size company. Okay, that's what. And next is a developer edition. It is a freer, guys, so that is what you are going to create. Okay, so tomorrow that is what I am going to create a new org for you, and each one, everyone can create your own free apps, and those are free for entire life, guys. And everything you can see in that org, whatever you are going to work in real time, so there will not be a single so change also, guys. Okay, everything you can see, whatever you are, every feature which is available in unlimited edition, that feature will be available in developer org also. But what is the difference? Yesterday I told, right? Only one difference is there. What is that one? Size. Okay, size is very, I mean very limited size they will, I mean they have provided for developer org, that's it. Storage, I mean to say storage. Okay, so these are the licenses. Next, Salesforce, like generally like 88 or 6 years back, if you say, you can see only classic view. Okay, but after that one, Salesforce has given lightning kind of thing. You don't, I mean no need to worry what is the lightning also, guys. I'm going to show you and I'm going to explain to you, don't worry. Okay, view. Okay, screens are there, two kind of screens are there. Like I can say, if you install a Linux in your laptop and also you install a Windows, okay, when you are logging in to your laptop, and it will ask you, so how can I log in, whether a Linux or whether a Windows. Okay, it will ask you, right? Same way in Salesforce also, two views are there. One is a classic view, another one is a lightning view. Okay, so you can move from classic to lightning, lightning to classic, with the same account only. In a single, with the same developer free account, you can so see both classic and lightning also. Okay, so till now, so that is enough for you, guys. More than that you no need, I will explain going forward. Next, this I explained. Okay, now can anyone say what is the time, Indian time? Otherwise wait 1 minute. 7:50.
7:50.
Okay, let me finish this one. Okay, only 10 minutes left, right? No problem. Okay, 10 minutes are enough for me to explain this. Sorry. Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's see, guys. This is another example. Okay, another example, like say, as I mentioned, a steel company, right? And now internet provider company. I'm just going to explain about the Act Fiber company. Okay, so what I'm going to explain is, suppose, okay, in real time, what is going to happen if you got a Salesforce project. Okay, how you get the Salesforce project and what will happen. So in a high level, I'm going to explain to you guys. Once you understand this one, so then if you are going to work in real time, right, it is easy to you to understand other projects as well. Okay, so this is, yeah, let's see here. Take an example, like Act Fiber is the company. Okay, business company, and their business is selling their internet to companies or selling their internet to persons, whatever it may be. Okay, so now from Act Fiber end, marketing team is there, so they can give advertisements, and sales team is there, so they can track the customers who are interested and store all their details and the pricing, subscriptions, all those things can be done by sales team, and call center team also there who can help customers if they have any issues with the internet. Okay, apart from that, does my voice is breaking, guys? Is it okay? Can anyone say?
No,
Yes.
no. Some.
No, right? Someone is in trouble. So Jitendra might be so issue from your end. So please check. Okay, come to the point. Now, yeah. Okay, let's start, guys. So now, from Act Fiber end, marketing team is there, sales team is there, service team is there. Three different kind of teams are there. What they are so doing, their business activities they are doing, and so they can help customers. However, but they need to use any technology nowadays, right? It is a big company, and in India, there's so many states, right? In different states, so they established this Act Fiber. That means it's a big business, and they need to use any CRM technology, okay, which can help their marketing team or their sales team or their service team. So that means from their end, marketing, sales, service team can use any one technology, okay, to track all the customers' data, store, and doing all the other things. So they decided to go with Salesforce because CRM technology they need to use, and number one CRM technology is Salesforce. Good. Now, from Act Fiber end, product owner is there. Think in that way. Product owner. That means who designed that product. Which product? Software. Which is going to used by sales team, marketing team, service team. Okay. So those are different products for Act Fiber end or applications. Okay. Product or application. You can say not a problem in this situation. Okay. Those can be utilized by their business team. And that kind of product or application is designed by a product owner from Active Fiber end. Think in that way, and that product owner needs to talk with some other companies or Active Fiber end. Suppose, take example, that software, that application, whatever it may be, and someone needs to implement. Okay, someone needs to implement. So if any IT team is there, any software team is there from Active Fiber end, then so this requirements given to that software team, and they can implement their own product. Okay, good. But then in that situation, that company we can call it as a product based company. So their product, their team only implementing. So that is called product based company. Remember that. Okay. Suppose Act Fiber company doesn't have any software team, IT team, then what they need to do? So that people should go to, that product owner should go to any service company who can help them. Okay. So say example like Accenture, TCS, Tech Mahindra, and so Persistent, Deloitte. All these companies are service-based companies. And what they are doing, they can provide service to any business, not for free, it's a cost. Okay, and they went to Accenture, TCS, Tech Mahindra like that, and so Accenture has a, I mean, given a quotation like so Accenture team want to implement this project. It's a project, guys, actually. So Accenture team, from Accenture end, a manager will be there, and so that manager will talk to the Act Fiber product owner, and they decided a quotation like so like 5 lakhs. The project cost is 5 lakhs, and within 5 months we can implement it. Okay, and also that Act Fiber product owner not satisfied with Accenture, he went to TCS, he went to Techem also, and TCS has given a quotation like 6 lakhs, and within 6 months they are going to complete it. And Techem also they said 7 lakhs and within 7 months, so they are going to complete this project. I'm just giving example. Okay, now from Act Fiber and product owner decided, oh, these are topmost companies, but so Accenture only so giving less bid. So he decided to go with Accenture. Okay, so they have given project to Accenture team, and from Accenture team, like product, I mean project manager and and team is the right team lead and developers. So they established that one to implement that project. Okay, from that Accenture end, this project team is the right. In that team only you are going to work. You are one of the member. So in that team, and you need to implement this Act Fiber application or project. Okay, good, nice. Now they decided to go with Salesforce technology. Very nice. And what Accenture team needs to do? Accenture team so directly contacted to Salesforce company, and they need to buy license from Salesforce company. Okay, that software to utilize that software. So Accenture company bought the Salesforce license, and so they started working on that one. And that license cost also, okay, will be paid by Act Fiber company only. Accenture will not pay even single rupee also. Okay, even to buy this license also, Act Fiber company only need to pay. Okay, and Accenture company started working on these projects. Very nice, and they have completed the project. Okay, so generally some people will get confused about already Salesforce has given this product, why what Accenture is doing, right? So if you have that question, the answer is, you know, Salesforce has given cloud product, right? And that product, it is not sufficient for this project. That means Act Fiber and so many other requirements are there that is not already given by Salesforce product. So what Accenture need to do is, from Accenture side, developers are the right, they need to customize the code and they need to configure the code so that our Act Fiber company requirements can be done. Okay, so that's where our team needs, developers team is needed. Okay, so next, and finally after 6 months or whatever it may be, Accenture complete the project and hand over to Act Fiber. And from Act Fiber end, so who are going to use, if they bought 3 licenses, then means so their sales team and service team and marketing team, they can use their Salesforce products. Okay, and marketing team, what they can do is they can give advertisements, they can store all those details, advertisement details, customer details, all these details they can store it. So generally we can call it as a lead in Salesforce, and outside a customer, interested customer. So that I will show you going forward. Now you don't need to bother about the leads and all these kind of things. Okay, so this is a high level overview about a project, guys. Okay, any questions? So some people, right, you heard about pipeline, right? What is the pipeline meaning? So if you talk to HR, hey, your project is in pipeline, like that. Okay, so what is that meaning is, so let's say Act Fiber, so went to Accenture, TCS and Tech Mahindra. That Act Fiber manager is in talk with Accenture and TCS, Tech Mahindra. So that means TCS HRs and Tech Mahindra HRs and Accenture HRs, so they are saying to employees, right, hey, so we have a pipeline, we have a project, it is in pipeline, Act Fiber project. Okay,
That may, that may be ongoing project. Pipeline means,
yeah, ongoing project. It is in discussion, but it is
yeah.
not it. Not it came. That's what. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's all about introduction about the demo, guys, Salesforce demo. And anyone wants to know in Telugu, actually, someone asked the question, so what is it? Can you explain CRM in Telugu? Right, shortly. Okay, let me explain in Telugu. CRM, right, కస్టమర్ రిలేషన్షిప్ మేనేజ్మెంట్, గాయస్, సింపుల్ గా అంటే అసలు ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది అంటే, నువ్వు ఒక బిజినెస్ పెట్టావు ఆన్లైన్ లో, లైక్ యాక్ట్ ఫైబర్ కంపెనీ ఉంది అనుకో. యాక్ట్ ఫైబర్ కంపెనీ, సో వాళ్ళ బిజినెస్ పెద్దది, చాలా పెద్దది. ఏం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు? బిజినెస్ టీమ్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఎట్లా? సేల్స్ టీమ్ ఉంది, సేల్స్ టీమ్, సో మార్కెటింగ్ టీమ్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చేసిన డేటా అంతా సేల్స్ టీమ్ ఏం చేసుకుంటుంది? స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేసేది? ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో స్టోర్ చేయాలి. ఆ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఏంటిది? సిఆర్ఎం సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, అండ్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో చాలా టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి, సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవన్నీ వాడుకొని సో ఈ యాక్ట్ ఫైబర్ కంపెనీ ఏంటంటే బిజినెస్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటా ఉంటారు. ఓకే, ఇదే సిఆర్ఎం అంటే. బై యూజింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్, ఓకే, చాలా రకాల సాఫ్ట్వేర్ యూజ్ చేసేసుకొని వాళ్ళ బిజినెస్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకొని కస్టమర్ తో రిలేషన్షిప్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటారు. దట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ సిఆర్ఎం ఇన్ సింపుల్ వే. ఓకే, ఫిజికల్ గా కావాలి అంటే ఆన్లైన్ కాకుండా ఫిజికల్ గా అంటే డైరెక్ట్ షాప్కి వెళ్ళి మాట్లాడేదాన్ని ఫిజికల్ సిఆర్ఎం. నార్మల్ గా అంటే ఇంకా ఆ టెక్నాలజీస్ అవసరం లేదు, ఏం లేదు. సిఆర్ఎం ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ ఏ టెక్నిక్ ఆర్ మెథడాలజీ which companies are following, okay, to increase the relationship between the customers. So based on that they are increasing their revenue. Okay, and one more thing guys, even till this weekend you can use same link guys to join. Okay, same link, so link will not be changed. Okay,
Hello.
yeah.
Sir, I have a small doubt. Does client need, అంటే once product purchase చేసిన తర్వాత client కూడా do they need to buy any services from Salesforce? I mean like to use that product.
They need to pay amount, right? Client no need to pay amount. However, so our suppose like service companies are there, right? So they will tell to clients, so these are the products we are going to buy, these are the licenses. And the service means like what you say, like a support kind of thing from their end.
యా, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ పర్చేస్ చేసిన తర్వాత దే గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ దట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కదా సార్ క్లయింట్స్. సో వన్స్ ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు డూ దే అంటే నీడ్ అంటే వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా వాళ్ళు సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్కి పే చేయాల్సి ఉంటుందా, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ లైక్ మనం ఏదో మామూలు సర్వీసెస్ లాగా యూజ్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చా అని?
లేదు, దే నీడ్ టు పే, రైట్? సర్వీస్ లైసెన్స్ బై చేసిన తర్వాత పే చేయాలి ఎవ్రీ మంత్.
ఓకే, ఎవ్రీ మంత్ దే నీడ్ టు పే
పర్ యూజర్ లెక్క. లైసెన్స్ చెప్పా కదా, ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ లైసెన్స్ అయితే హై unlimited license, based on the licenses, so Salesforce company will charge that amount.
ఓకే ఓకే.
అందుకే వాళ్ళ లైసెన్స్ ఇచ్చింది. Any other questions? Quickly finish it guys please. Next batch I'm going to start, right? So that's it. I mean, so next batch is waiting for the class. Okay, so I already mentioned, right? So minimum 3.5 months guys. Okay, so yeah.
This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, so from VLR side, right? So team is not available this week. So you can go to YouTube channel guys for these videos, recorded videos, and you can just play that one. Okay, you can go recorded videos for till this weekend, so you can see freely in YouTube channel VLR, so online training. Okay.